Hello everyone, if you want to good stretch like me, I will show you now some exercises which help you to do, so stay with me because I will show you amazing exercises. So let's start. First what you're starting to do is slowly go on elbow and open your hip and close. 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that try taking our leg and pushing on ourselves. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I will try take 2 legs and pushing more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Taking in this side and trying open. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Stay without hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Try taking this side and taking in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly take our leg and going relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like it, subscribe it, and support my channel. So bye bye.